Join me as I dive into the future of gold stocks and try to predict what's next for them in 2025. Gold stocks have always been a fascinating topic, especially considering the current economic climate we're in. With the markets being as volatile as they are, it's no wonder investors are looking for safe haven assets to park their money in. And what's more attractive than gold, right? In this video, we're going to talk about what's next for gold stocks in 2025. We'll explore the challenges they're facing, the key factors that'll influence their performance, and some critical insights that'll give you a better understanding of where this market is headed. Moving on, let's talk about the challenges that gold stocks are facing right now. The market has been incredibly volatile, and that's made it tough for investors to make a call on gold stocks. One day, they're up 5%, and the next, they're down 3%. It's been a real roller coaster ride, and that uncertainty is what's keeping a lot of people on the sidelines. Another major challenge is inflation. With central banks around the world printing more money, inflation is starting to creep up, and that's always a concern for gold investors. Inflation can erode the value of currencies, which is what makes gold such an attractive asset in the first place. But if inflation gets out of control, it can actually hurt gold stocks, which is a bit counterintuitive. Geopolitical tensions are also playing a significant role in shaping the gold market. We've got conflicts brewing in various parts of the world, and that's always a catalyst for gold price increases. But the thing is, these tensions can be unpredictable, and that uncertainty can make it tough for investors to make informed decisions. And let's not forget about the supply and demand dynamics. Gold supply has been steady, but demand has been increasing, thanks to central banks and individual investors looking to diversify their portfolios. That's been driving gold prices up, but it's also created a bit of a bubble, which can be concerning. Looking ahead, there are several key factors that'll influence gold stocks in 2025. One of the most important ones is expert predictions. We've got a lot of smart people weighing in on where gold prices will go, and their predictions can have a significant impact on market sentiment. Another key factor is the trend in gold prices. If gold prices continue to rise, that'll be a major tailwind for gold stocks. And the thing is, there are a lot of indicators suggesting that gold prices will indeed continue to rise. We've got a lot of economic indicators pointing to a slowdown in growth, and that's when gold typically shines. The role of global economic conditions will also play a significant role in shaping the gold market. If we see a recession or a slowdown in growth, that'll drive more investors towards safe haven assets like gold. And if we see a continued rise in inflation, that'll also drive gold prices up. The reality is, gold stocks are often seen as a hedge against uncertainty, and we've got a lot of uncertainty in the world right now. That's why I think gold stocks will continue to perform well in 2025, especially if we see a continued rise in gold prices. One of the critical insights I want to share with you is that gold stocks have historically outperformed the broader market during times of uncertainty. So, if you're looking for a way to diversify your portfolio and hedge against risk, gold stocks might be worth considering. Another critical insight is that not all gold stocks are created equal. You've got to do your research and find the ones that are actually producing gold, rather than just speculating on it. And you've got to keep an eye on their balance sheets, because the ones with too much debt are going to struggle. The projected growth rates for gold stocks are also worth noting. We're talking about double-digit growth rates, which is way higher than the broader market. So, if you're looking for a way to grow your wealth, gold stocks might be worth considering. To summarize, gold stocks are facing some significant challenges, but they're also poised for a major rally in 2025. We've got key factors like expert predictions, trends in gold prices, and global economic conditions all pointing to a bull run. And with projected growth rates that are way higher than the broader market, I think gold stocks are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any thoughts on gold stocks, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about investment strategies, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be diving into some of the top strategies for 2025.